This box is a lot bigger than the last one they sent. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Fit Man Style channel. My name is Ian, and today's video is going to be our second go around with the company Styleadvice. They had sent me a box about a year or so ago. I'm gonna put a link up to that video so you guys can check that out. So just a quick rundown of who Styleadvice is. They are a men's clothing subscription box. So you go on their website, you kind of fill out a style profile, and based on what you tell them, a stylist will curate a box for you and send it to you. So let's waste no more time. Let's open up the box and see what they sent me. So the first item out of the box is a white shirt. This is more of a casual white shirt. I would wear this shirt untucked. It's from a company called Construct. It has a four-way stretch to it. That's the first thing I noticed as soon as I put it on. It has a nice stretch to it. There's a nice check design on the placket, on the collar, and on the sleeves as well. So if I'm going out to dinner with my fiance, I will probably wear something like this. So first item out of the box, not bad. Second item out of the box are these khaki beige dress pants. Now these are 38-30. They're from Bonobos, and they surprisingly fit me well. They are a slim fit type of pants. It fits me nicely around the thighs and the butt area. Only thing I would do with these pants is probably take it to a tailor and have them shorten the leg just a tad bit. But all in all, I like how these pants look. I like how they fit. And I would say for the second item, they also did a good job. So the third item out of the box is this black dress shirt. And as soon as I took it out and I saw the name of the brand, I knew this wasn't gonna fit me. It's from a brand called Paisley & Gray. Now I've tried this brand before at a local department store, and this brand runs extremely slim. I know I've advocated for slim fit clothes in my recent videos, but Paisley & Gray runs very, very, very slim with no stretch at all. So I'm not even gonna try it on for you guys. Just take my word for it. It doesn't fit me. So the fourth item is a belt. This is a belt with holes on them. Now, confession, I haven't had a belt like this in about 4 to 5 years, because all the belts I have are from a company called Anson Belt. They don't have holes on them. They just click when you slide them in. So now I got a belt with holes on them. I haven't had that again for like 5 years. So that's pretty cool. So far, and Styleadvice is 3 out of 4, which is not bad. Let's move on to the fifth item. So the fifth and sixth item go together. The fifth item is suit pants, and the sixth item is the suit jacket. First of all, the fact that they would include a suit in their box, pretty impressive, and I'll give them props for that. However, I like what I like. First of all, the suit doesn't fit me at all. The jacket don't fit me, and the pants don't fit me at all. And here lies the problem with a company like this and a guy like me. I'm so far along in my journey that I've narrowed down what I like in a suit. Like for instance, the pants, I prefer side adjusters on my pants. I also prefer pleats on my pants. With the jacket, I prefer a wide lapel to complement my broad chest. I prefer a spalacamicia shoulder to give them a little bit more flexibility. So unless a stylist intimately knows that about me, it would be very difficult to curate a box like this with a suit in it for me. So the suit was a fail. It was a little bit too tight. The lapels were a little bit too small for my chest, and it was more of a off-the-rack fuse type of suit. So out of 6 items, Stately is 3 for 6. So the 7th item is just a pair of dress socks. Looks pretty nice, cool, I'll wear it. So they are what, 4 for 7? All right, let's take a look at the last item. And the last item is this double monk straps from Stacey Adams. Now, are these on the same level construction-wise as my favorite dress shoes, Beckett Simonon? I would say no, but these are nice. These are nice. I can see myself wearing these dress shoes to work if I want to give my my Beckett Simonon shoes a rest. So out of 8 items, they are 5 out of 8. So not bad. So you may be thinking, so what do I do with the clothes that don't fit me? Or say you got a piece that you don't like at all. Well, you do have 5 days from the delivery date to exchange them, which is pretty cool. So they make leeway for the consumer in case it doesn't fit them, they don't like it, to exchange it for something that they want. They can even do a second exchange. So say you exchange it with something else, they sent that second thing and you still don't like it or it still doesn't fit, they can do a second exchange. So that's pretty cool. So here's the thing with these subscription box services. Like I was saying with the suits, unless you intimately know me and know what I like, it'll be very difficult for you to curate a style box for me that I would love 100%. So in my opinion, these type of boxes in the menswear space, these subscription boxes, is for the guy who is just starting out and trying to figure out what his style is. You know, am I a rugged kind of guy? Am I a classic menswear kind of guy? Am I a casual kind of guy? I would say, yeah, definitely look into these subscription box services, and I'm gonna try to get some kind of discount code and put it down here somewhere. So if you're that guy, you can check out this subscription box service at a discounted price. But if you are like me and you are further along in your style journey, you know what you like and you like what you like, this will probably be a waste and you'll probably be disappointed if you do one of these boxes. But yeah, again, this box is for the guy who's just starting out and trying to figure out what his style is. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I appreciate it. One thing I did forget to mention in this video was that there's different tiers for these boxes. I believe I got the Regal box, which is the 3rd tier. But you can start off at the 1st tier, the 2nd tier, you can go up to the 3rd tier, or if you're down with it, you can start up with the 4th tier. But again, appreciate you guys for watching this video. Let me know down in the comments what you thought. Have you tried this company before, and how did you feel about it? All right, I'll catch you guys in the next video, and until then, stay fly and stay fit.